Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, natassiar1. Today's episode, we're going to look at the question, is celery juice good for digestion? I'm also going to show you how to make your own celery juice recipe at home and a review of the juice that I've actually made. So stick around for more. If you guys like today's episode, please click on the like and subscribe button and comment and let me know your thoughts about this video. So let's begin. Celery juice. Now, celery juice has been around for years in the health industry, in the fitness industry. Everyone speaks about celery juice if you're going on a detox. But the question is, what is its impact on your good gut digestion, right? Does it actually help your digestive issues? Now, if you guys follow my channel, you know that I've had issues with IBS and gastritis, and so I needed something that's going to help me through the day. A beautiful liquid to help flush out toxins. And so I looked at celery juice on the internet and I said, let me give it a shot and let's take a look at it. So let's talk about why celery juice has this hype around it. Well, celery is renowned for being a potent remedy in ancient natural remedies and superfoods. Celery seeds are known to help with digestion. It reduces bloating in the gut. It actually helps with rejuvenating the gut cells and reducing acid reflux in the gut as well. Now, they also say that celery is a potent antioxidant, so it's probably one of the reasons why it helps with the gut. And the most powerful factor of celery is the fact that it is comprised of 95% water. So what that means is that it has a 95% hydration ability. And so basically in basic terms, it means that once you consume the celery, it's made up of pure 95% water that goes into your stomach and your gut. And so you have water to flush out toxins from your kidneys and from your liver. That's why when a lot of people do fasts or they want to do a detox in the beginning of the year, they rely on celery juice. So I said, okay, let me make my own recipe and let's review it and let's see how it affects my digestion. Okay, so let's begin with the recipe. So in a blender, you're going to put in chopped celery. So I added probably about half a stalk of celery. You can use as much as you want based on your taste profile. Then I added apple cider vinegar, and then I added a cup of juice. Now, if you're watching your sugar content, you could just do pure water, but I like a little bit of juice or nectar to help me offset the bitter taste of celery. So I added that in. You can also add ginger if you'd like. You can add mint to give it some flavor, and pretty much that's it. You blitz it. Keep it on high for about a minute or so until it's ready. You can strain out the liquid, and then you've got this beautiful green liquid free of all the strains of ginger or mint or any other herbs that you've added. And that's it. That's how simple it is, guys. So let's give it a shot again, and I'll give you a review of the taste profile. Ooh, yummy. So what's amazing about this juice is that you're getting the flavors, obviously, of the celery coming through, which is quite bitter. You've got the apple cider vinegar. Now, the reason why I added apple cider vinegar, because it's also renowned for helping with your gut. So you add that in. Also, if you want to cleanse your gut, which is it's antimicrobial and antifungal. I've also added lemon, so you're getting that little acidic taste to it as well. And then the juice just sweetens it off and balances the acidity of the apple cider vinegar and the lemon. It is delicious. So I took this juice for about a week. I took it in the morning and I took it in the afternoon. And so what I noticed about my digestion, so first of all, I used to suffer with a lot of cramps, and that was due to leaky gut, gastritis, and also food sensitivities. By having this juice, I noticed that I cramped a lot less, if that makes sense. So the cramping actually reduced. The bloating and the gassiness reduced. That's the other thing I noticed. And I found that I was more regular. So I usually struggle with being regular. I know that's TMI. However, with this juice, it seems to help soothe the gut. I felt a little bit lighter and fresher, if that makes sense. So for me, I wouldn't say, it's 1 week is too short for me to say, oh my God, it cures all your digestive issues. But what I did notice was that these little improvements, which are surely having an impact on me on my daily life. So in terms of the overall review, my view is this. I'm going to continue taking this for at least 3 months because of the digestive issues that I've had in the past, and reducing any flare-ups. I think at this point, I can recommend celery juice. It's tasty, it's refreshing. You can add ice, you can even add some watermelon if you'd like. But it really is good for the digestion based on my experience, that if you're suffering with bloating and you're gassy or you have acid reflux, this seemed to reduce a lot of my symptoms. It's not a perfect all natural remedy. Obviously, you need to consult your GP before you try any of these things, and also take your normal natural medication or remedies. However, I think it's a good addition to your daily diet. My view is give it a shot, try out the recipe, see if it's had any improvement in your digestive issues or disorders, and let me know your thoughts.